uh, if you have to find out the square of 71 into 71. So if you do by your regular multiplication, it will be a lengthy calculation. So easily, if you want to do, you can write it as 70 plus 1 the whole square, and then you can expand using identity a plus b the whole square. Now because it is 70, the square of 70, you can do this calculation mentally only. 70 into 70, because 7 sevens are 49. So 70 into 70 will be 4900 plus 2ab. Now b is 1 only. So 2 into 70 is 140 plus 1 square. Now this addition can be done easily. So the answer is 5041. So this is how you will do finding the square of numbers using identities. Same way 99 can be written as 100 minus 1 the whole square. Now 100 square of 100 you can easily write, just add 4 zeros with 1 minus 2ab, so that will be minus 200 plus 1. So the answer will be 9801. Same way 102 the whole square can be 102 can be written as 100 plus 2 the whole square, and apply identity a plus b the whole square. 998. Just write it as 1000 minus 2 the whole square. So square of 1000 minus 2ab plus b square. So it can be evaluated. You can get 996004. So less time consuming compared to your long multiplication. Then 5.2 the whole square. 5.2 the whole square can be written as 5 plus 0.2 the whole square. Then expand using identity a plus b the whole square. If you have two different numbers, the product of two different numbers, then also you can see if it can be represented in the form of a minus b into a plus b. Like here, for example, 297 into 303. I can write it as 300 minus 3 into 300 plus 3. So it is of the form a minus b into a plus b, that identity. So which is a square minus b square. That is 300 square minus 3. So you can find easily the square of that. 3 into 3 is 9, and then add 4 zeros minus 9. So the answer will be 89,991. 78 into 82. This can be written as 80 minus 2 into 80 plus 2. 78 can be written as 80 minus 2. 82 can be written as 80 plus 2. So this is of the form again a minus b into a plus b. That is a square minus b square. So you will get the answer as 6396. Then 8.9 the whole square, it can be written as 9 minus 0.1 the whole square. So this is of the form a minus b the whole square. Then you have 10.5 into 9.5. So you can write it as 10 plus 0.5 into 10 minus 0.5. So this is of the form a square minus b square. And you can solve it. 51 square minus 49 square. If you are finding like this difference of the squares of two numbers, then you can use the identity a plus b into a minus b. So 51 plus 49 into 51 minus 49. This way you can write it. Same way all others have been done. 1.02 square minus 0.98 square. So 1.02 plus 0.98 into 1.02 minus 0.98. So same identity has been used in all the sums. So 103 into 104. This one can be written as 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 4. So this comes in the form of this identity x plus a into x plus b, which is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So x square is 100 square plus a plus b into x, that means 3 plus 4 into 100. So 700 plus ab, that is 3 into 4, that is 12. So the answer is 10,712. Same way 5.1 into 5.2, this can be written as 5 plus 0.1 into 5 plus 0.2. In this, the first number has to be same, the second one can be different. So then again, when you expand it using the identity, you will get the final answer as 26.52. Then 103 into 98. Same way you will do 100 plus 3 into 100 minus 2. Now, but here you have to be careful. A is having plus sign, but B is having negative sign. Whereas here in the identity, both are positive. So B has to be written like minus B. So A plus B will become 3 minus 2. That is 1. A into B will become 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6. So the final answer will be 10,094. Same way 9.7 into 9.8. This has been written as 9 plus 0.7 into 9 plus 0.8. And apply the same identity, you will get 95.06.